Hi, I'm Kelly Vaughn with Wireless Dealer Magazine here at CTIA 2010, and I'm speaking with Gary Kroc from Spracht. That's kind of hard to say, Gary Kroc from Spracht. So, Gary, what is Spracht?
Yes, hi, Kelly. It's nice to be here. Spracht, we're actually a small American company. We're based in Mountain View, California, right next to Google, and we focus on making things innovative. We like to go into categories and into different technologies and so forth, and see where there's maybe a gap or a category that we can enhance. So we really focus on innovative, different product that basically enhances the communication experience.
Okay, well, you have any really new hot products you want to share with me today?
Actually, we're launching this new Aura EQ headset, which is right here. And this is a Bluetooth headset. I guess to tell you what's different about the product. If you look at it, it is a unique design, but on the device here you can see that there's some lines here. That actually is a volume bar, so this is actually capacitive volume control. So basically, instead of having to fiddle with your phone or something to turn a call up or down, you just slide your finger up or down to control the volume. So if you want to increase the volume, you would roll your finger up like that. You want to decrease the volume, you go like that. And very, very unique product. The same technology that's actually in the iPods and so forth, how you control the volume in that.
So if you really like what someone's saying, you turn the volume up, and if you don't like what they're saying, you can turn it.
Yes, if you have a very loud person calling you and you want to turn them down, you just start sliding that finger, and that'll obviously tone down the volume a little bit.
That's great. You have anything new or anything else you want to share with us?
Yeah, well, just on this device, it does have a DSP. It has full duplex. It has multi-point, and a lot of the other good competitors who make Bluetooth headsets have that too. It's a digital signal processing. But what's different about this is called the Aura EQ. That EQ means equalizer, and we've put an 8-band equalizer into the product, just as you would in a stereo. Okay, and so basically we're able to get a lot of more amplification and power out of the device in terms of sound, and we actually set 3 presets in the device. So there's a loud, louder, and loudest preset, and once you turn on the device, and you basically, tones will come into your ear like a hearing test. And okay, that's how it's going to sound, how a call is going to sound. You don't like that, you use the slider, you go to the next setting. You don't like that, you use the slider, you go to the next setting. And so if one of those 3 settings isn't right for you, you can actually go into the device and customize each band of the equalizer, all 8 bands. And usually when you get, for the person with mid-range hearing loss, there's some bands in an equalization mode of equalization table of the sound that you can actually customize and make those all the way up. So those certain tones and sounds that you get when you have hearing loss, you'll be able to emphasize those, so you'll be able to hear better. It's basically an enhanced hearing device, and we go basically as far as we can before basically being considered a hearing aid. So we don't have to go through FDA approval and everything like that, but this is an enhanced hearing device.
Oh, that's a really exciting product. Now, I think you brought some other stuff with you. You want to show me what else?
I did. Here. Another product we have here is it's called the Aura Blue Note. It's a portable wireless speaker, and as you can see, it's very nicely packaged. Got the CES Innovation Nominee Award back in 2010, as did the Aura EQ, by the way, which I forgot. And I'll just show you the device real quickly. As you can see, it's a very nice aesthetically looking piece, kind of a Bose look and feel to it. It's 4 watts, and it comes with bass boost, stereo widening, and you get a lot of power out of this device. It's wireless, it's portable, it's great for the person who wants to take their music on the road with them with their new smartphone, play it in the hotel. A lot of people use these in the kitchen, in the bathroom, when they're getting ready in the shower. And the best thing about it is it has a push-to-talk button. So basically, you got your iPhone and you're listening to your music, and all of a sudden someone calls you. the music fades out, and this rings, and oh, okay, and you push the talk button, and you're basically on a conference call.
Okay, that's something I have not seen yet. That's a really neat feature.
Yeah, so you're on a conference call, and then you do your conference call. There's a mic, and there's noise reduction and echo cancellation in this device as well. And then all of a sudden, you hang up the phone, you press the button again, and the music just fades back in.
It's really great. And you know what? I love your packaging, and I know a lot of our retailers out there really enjoy nice packaging.
Yeah, no, thank you very much. It's orange, it's different, and we do spend a lot of money on our packaging, and this would look great in the retail shop, and hopefully people will be able to see that it would look quite different and differentiated, especially and again with the CES logos and so forth as well.
Right. And congratulations on your awards that you mentioned. I know that's really exciting for you.
It's very exciting. We at CES we had 3 this year, and 3 2010 Innovation Awards. 3 different products nominated. We only have 4 products in our whole product line, and 3 of them got nominated this year. For a small American little company like us, it's very exciting.
It doesn't get better than that. That's great. Now, one more question. What does Spracht mean?
Yes, that's a question I get a lot. Spracht actually is derived from the word sprechen in German, which means to speak. So actually Spracht means spoken. And the reason being is it enhances the brand. Obviously, you have German, the perceived German quality of product, and the enhancement of communication. So that's where it came from. And
I've learned a German word today. I'm very excited. Why don't you let everyone out there know how it is they can get in touch with you?
Yeah, our website is Spracht.com, and that's spelled Spracht. If you want to send us an email, it's sales@Spracht.com, and someone in our marketing and sales department will get it, and we'd be happy to hear from you.
Well, thank you so much, Gary. Those are some great, really innovative products I'm sure a lot of people will be really excited to hear about. So this is Gary with Spracht, and I'm Kelly Vaughn with Wireless Dealer Magazine and Expo.